guys. Be right with you. Hi. Yeah, hey, you guys are all here for the tour. That's awesome. How's everybody doing? Good. Good to see you. My name's Taylor. I'm a volunteer here, so, you know, they don't pay me. But that's okay, because I get to work for Professor Baxter. I'm sure many of you have heard of him. Unfortunately, Professor Baxter is currently missing, which is bad for just a variety of reasons, actually. I tell you what, why don't we do this? I will start the tour for him, and then, you know, hopefully we catch up with him and he can take over from there. Probably the best thing to start with is just tell you guys a little bit about this room. This was the ancient ceremonial chamber for the great god Poseidon, until his trusted high priest, Lord Darkanon, that's him in the back, he sealed the chamber walls and killed everybody inside as a sacrifice to the Dark One. Not a very pleasant fellow, that guy. So that bloody night resulted in Darkanon being granted great powers, right? Power enough to challenge Poseidon himself. And there was this huge battle between the two of them, and nobody survived. And they say that the souls of the dead still haunt this. That was a pony. Anyway, apparently there are secret chambers just like this, hidden all throughout this entire area. But aside from this, we haven't been able to find anything. And then last night, the professor radioed to let us know that he had found some kind of secret message somewhere in this room. And then after that's when he disappeared. Stuff like this keeps happening. Not a big deal, though I have the professor's work light here. Let me get this thing going and we'll be all set. Not as bright as I thought. Okay, hey, hang on a second. I think we found the message. Okay, let me see. Behind this wall, a demon sleeps. An ancient evil held in keep. Poseidon's power contained the beast, but he too perished when battle ceased. Let none disturb this chamber wall, or loose the dark, and then lose all. But if this evil you do release, then seek the trident to restore the peace. For he who holds the trident gold has Poseidon's power for all times told. Oh, well, that's the lights coming back on. All right, we'll be okay here in just a moment. There he is. Yeah, Professor Baxter. Sir, it's me, Taylor. I've been looking all over the place for you. I started your tour.
Taylor, what are you doing in there? I ordered everyone out.
Sir, nobody told me about Al.
Get them out.
Yes, sir.
Now.
Guys, listen, I'm really sorry about this.
Hurry, hurry. This may be my last transmission.
On behalf of all this government group.
Stop doing.
Professor, wait. Professor Baxter. Okay, we're all gonna die in here. That's not funny. We should probably get everybody up to a safe place and then we second thought, nobody panic, things can't get any worse. They're worse. Sorry about this, guys. Everybody just kind of hang out where you are. I'm sure. That was me. Oh, sorry. I don't know why that's even on there. That was entirely my fault. I'm sorry about that. Professor? Guys. Hey, guys, that's not funny with the whole evil laughing thing.
Who has awakened my secret sleep?
Me? Taylor with Global Discovery Group and some guests. We were actually just
You search for your master.
What? Oh, you mean the professor? Yes, we'd like to find him.
Come then. Follow in his steps.
Oh, no thank you. The professor said we should go. What is that? Thanks, you guys just hear a big voice. Guys, secret chamber.
Oh, you guys are just heading in there, huh? A hole opened up in a wall. You're all just walking through it. That is awesome. Okay, well, wait for me. I'll stay in here by myself. Go with you guys then. Excuse me, guys. Just gonna sneak around the side here. Pardon me, folks, if I can sneak right past you. Sorry, excuse me. We'll get everybody out of the dark. sure we have everybody go like all the way over this way as far as you can. Don't stop in the middle or anything. That way we get everybody in here, we can take a quick look, and we can head right back out those doors. So I'm pretty sure we're not supposed to be in here at all. Hey, did you guys see all the cool stuff when we came in? There's like old shields and swords, silk and pottery. Treasure? You guys. Hey, check this out. Look, there's like gold and silver, diamonds. Professor Baxter is going to be really happy about this. I know that you all were very excited to come in and see everything, understandably, guys. But obviously, I mean, you know, for safety reasons, really can't stay very long, right? But we'll take a quick look, head up to base camp, get a whole team together to come check everything out. Those guys are really good at what they do, and there's all kinds of cool artifacts in here. Did you see this? Look at this, one of those lamps, like from the storybooks when you're little. You know, you rub the lamp and nothing good ever happens, so we'll just leave that there. But there's tons of other stuff. I guess probably the best bet's actually not to just touch everything. What is that? No, wait. Hey, listen, don't let those doors close. Guys, that's our only way out, though. I still hope.
You should have heeded your master and escaped while you could. Now you will never leave. Unless you find Poseidon's trident.
Okay, obviously there's been some sort of misunderstanding. These folks here on the tour, we don't know anything about a trident or Poseidon or any of that stuff.
My mortal enemy sleeps in this tomb, hidden from my eyes. But soon I shall find him. Thanks to you.
What? Oh, hang on a second. What do you mean thanks to me?
You spoke the spell aloud.
The thing in the other room.
Freed me from Poseidon's spell, and from this ancient chamber of death.
Chamber of death?
Either find the trident.
Hey man, I don't know anything about it. Okay, you know what? Open those stupid doors.
Take my secrets to the grave.
The grave? This is a tomb. I gotta figure out how to get those doors open. Maybe I can pry them open. Let me see if I can get this thing out of here. Come on. Yeah, that'll work.
Who calls upon the goddess, guardian of the temple?
Me, Taylor, Global Discovery Group.
You hold Poseidon's trident in your hand.
What?
What is your request of me?
Wait, this whole thing is Poseidon's trident? Is it really?
What is your wish? I shall not ask again.
Yeah, sorry. We all want to get out of here, get back home to safety.
Alas, it is beyond my power to grant you passage back to your world.
Why?
The Dark One has sealed the doors to this chamber with a locking spell impervious to magic.
Darkenon.
The way home is now impossible.
No, not impossible. You're a goddess. There's got to be something you can do.
All is not lost.
What does that mean?
While I cannot help you back to the surface, I can provide you with safe passage deeper into this temple.
Thank you. We don't want to go deeper. We just want to get out of here. So I'm going to use this to try to pry the doors open. Sorry.
Listen.
That sounds like the ocean.
Quickly! We have precious little time! Bearer of the trident gold, prepare to journey into the heart of this temple, into the chamber of Poseidon. Are you brave enough to make the passage under?
Yeah, what do you say, guys? You brave enough? Yeah.
Then witness now the power of Poseidon.
Okay.
Lord of the seas, I ask for your care. Safe passage grant for those who dare.
Okay. Hey, is that safe?
Open up your oceans. Swing wide the door. Let the waters rush and the oceans roar. Oh, now's the time. With fortune and plan, your trident comes home.
Yeah.
Return to your hand.
Oh, it's a door. Guys, there's another door. We're getting out of here.
Move quickly.
Right? Sorry. Okay. Everybody. Oh, man. All right, listen. I have no idea what's down there, but the goddess says it's safe, right? Let's just go quick before it closes. is there's water. This must be the chamber of Poseidon the goddess was talking about. I think we should be safe in here for now. We're gonna have to figure out how to get back home, though. This thing behind me looks like the door we just came through. We might be able to open this up. That right there with the trident on it could be like a dial or a button, maybe. It's probably booby traps, so I'm not gonna touch that. There's some writing on here too, or symbols, maybe. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I thought I was gonna get us home, now we're stuck in this room. I just wanna take a second to say for the record, if we are trapped in here forever, you know, my bad. We probably should have waited for the professor. I guess I let you guys down.
Oh, you've done well, Taylor. You have brought back something very dear to me.
Oh, you mean the trident we found at the other room?
Follow my voice and bring that to me. Fear not, for I am Poseidon. At last, I have waited centuries for this moment. Now I will destroy you, them, and your precious trident. Once and for all. They are under my protection. And the power is mine.
Oh, this is it! Guys, the Temple of Poseidon! I gotta get this trident up there before Darkanon gets his hands on it! Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
By the power of the Dark Ones, I order you, give me that trident.
Over my dead body!
With pleasure.
Wait, what? Okay, Poseidon, a little help here, huh? Wait, listen, we can talk about this. Maybe not. Okay, seriously, big guy. I could use a hand right now.
Surrender.
Never.
Give me that trident. Give it to me now.
It's not gonna happen.
Then die.
Okay, I'm okay. I gotta get that trident up to the statue quick. I think that's our ticket out of here. You guys hang on, right? We're almost home. Oh yeah? I don't think so.
No. Stop. Give me that trident.
You want it? Take it from him. Yeah.
I have returned, Darkanon. Now you will pay for your murderous ways, Poseidon. I will destroy you. I will destroy all. Beginning with your precious mortals. Your power is no